Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use function keys on your Natec TurboT2. So first, what you guys want to do is access those extra features like volume or media controls. And to do that, all you guys need to do is press the FN key right here. So, if you guys want to brighten up your screen or dim the screen, then you can do it right here by pressing F1, which is dimming the screen, and F2, which is making the screen brighter. So you cannot do that without the FN button. So this is actually the button to access all of those extra features. And here we got multiple windows, so we can see the windows that we are using actively. And the fourth one is to open up a new tab. So let me quickly switch over to the PC and show you. So as you guys can see, we are on the PC. Let's go over here. Let's grab the new tab. And here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna press the function and 1. As you guys can see, it's dimming the screen. Now it's making it brighter. Here we got every single window, as you guys can see. And of course, we can open up new tab. So let me search something here. Now let's click it and we got a new tab. So as you guys can see, we can easily close it and now it's gone. Now for the FN and F5, it closes up everything on the PC. So let me quickly go over and show you guys the home screen right here. Now what are we gonna do with it is we're gonna press the FN and 5. Now it should disappear and now it should appear again. So that's how it works. Now by pressing FN, so the FN is now disappearing from the screen, but make sure to still hold this. Press FN F6, it will open up the start menu. Now FN F7, FN F8 and FN F9, basically this is the previous song. Play and pause and skip to the next one. I cannot show it to you because I'm not using anything right now, but we're gonna press the FN and now here we can mute the sound, completely unmute it by double tapping. So we can mute this right now, and the second tap we're gonna unmute it. Here by FN plus F11 we're gonna lower the sound, and FN plus F12 we're gonna make the sound better. So that's basically what we can do, and this is how we can easily access those extra functions. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.